Hi everyone, today is Module 4, Whole Number Multiplication, Lesson 5. Turn to page 21 so you can follow along and take notes. So our vocabulary today is the multiplication property of 1 and the multiplication property of 0. So here's the multiplication property of 1. If A is any number, if you do A times 1, you will always get A. Anything times 1 is itself. Flip it around, 1 times A equals A. Doesn't matter, it could be any number. So 10 times 1 equals 10. Or 5,251 times 1 equals 5,251. Okay, does not matter what letter A is as a number, it will, when you multiply it by 1, you will always get itself. Now, the multiplication property of 0, if you have the letter A, could be any number. Anything times 0 equals 0. No matter what, no matter how big, how small the number is, anytime you multiply by 0, you get 0. So if we look here at number 1, we have one group of 5. So one group of 5 is 5 because it's like you're multiplying it by 1. So you would write 5 right there. If you have 0 groups of 5, you get 0. So 1 times 5 equals 5. 0 times 5 equals 0. 3 times 0 equals 0. You automatically know the answer. Anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 1 is itself. So 5 groups of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. Here we have 5 groups of 0. There's nothing, so it's 0. If you have one group of 5, you have 5. If you have 0 groups of 5, you have 0. If you have 2 groups of 1, you have 2. So anything times 1 is itself. Anything times 0 is 0. So here's the description again. In words, we have multiplication property of 0, the product or answer of multiplication of 0 and any factor. So any factor, any number times 0 is 0. So what's the total number of stars? If we have 3 groups of 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0, 3 times 0 is 0. The multiplication property of 1. The product or answer of 1 and any factor is that factor. So what's the total number of stars? We have 3 groups of 1 star. 1, 2, 3 groups. There's 1 star in each. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. So if we find each product, 4 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. Because if we have 4 groups and there's nothing in the group, then it's 0. It's 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Same thing here. 8 times 0 is 0. Here, now we have 9 times 1. Anything times 1 is itself. So 9 times 1 is 9. 6 times 1 is 6 because we have 1 group of 6 or 6 groups of 1. Multiply by 0 using symbols. Multiply 5 times 0. Identify that one factor is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. Write 0 for the product. That's the multiplication property of 0. Anything times 0 is 0. If you multiply by 1, 1 times 5, you identify that one factor is 1. So here's the factor, it's 1. 1 times 5 is 5. You're going to write the other factor for the product. So 1 times 5 is 5. You see that those two numbers are the same. This is called the multiplication property of 1. So these two properties, multiplication property of 0 and multiplication property of 1, are pretty easy. Once you know them, then you know anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 1 is itself. So right now, on your own, you're going to complete page 23. Good luck.